Hi guys and welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to sell t-shirts on Etsy with Printify. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to use Printify and Etsy. And we will be using Canva over here as our platform that would allow us to create our designs that we will be using on Printify. Now, first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to create an account in Printify, of course, have everything set up. And before you create any design or any order, make sure that you are connected to a store. Because if you are not connected to a store yet and you created a product, your product will be lost and the progress will be a waste of time. So make sure that you finish setting it up and connecting it first. You will be able to connect it by clicking over here on the top left, this new store option over here. Simply select that, click on either manage my store or add a new store. And when you select this, you will be redirected, and over here you have the option Etsy. You are also able to connect Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Walmart, Printify, Pop-Up, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Shop, and you can even have an API. And you can simply click on connect to Etsy over here, which would allow you to set up and start selling with Printify and Etsy together. There's a large audience and traffic and low listing fee. And after you connected it and after everything is set up, you're now going to simply click on the catalog over here on the left side of Printify. Simply select a specific clothing that you want to check out. For example, you have men's clothing. Let's go click on men's clothing. You will be able to see t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and many more. It is very similar to the options available in women's clothing. And you have your kids clothing as well over here, as you can see. So for me, let's say I would like to create a women's clothing, and let's click on the t-shirts over here. And if you click on a specific product, you will be able to see over here all the different products that you are able to create a design on or put a design on and start selling. You can see. Now, each of these are from different providers and each of them has unique designs. For example, these or most of these have the design on front and on the torso area, but this one will allow you to have design on the entire t-shirt. And this one is a bit smaller, as you can see. Most of them are very similar, as you can see. So what I suggest is that you buy on the best sellers, the ones with the tag of best sellers, because these are products that people are buying the most, meaning it has better deals than other options over here. So for example, we have this one, unisex jersey, short sleeve tee. Simply select that. And when you select it, you will be able to see more information about that specific product, as you can see here. You have like the provider info over here if you want to know. You have your price, your standard shipping, your production time, which is 1 day, which is really good so that it gets to be finished very quickly. You have your print areas, front and back side. Then you have your different colors, as you can see. And aside from that, you have your key features, your instructions, and size guide over here. So simply click on start designing, or you can click on show additional providers. There will be other providers available for you. As you can see, for example, we have here FYBY, then Monster Digital. Each of them have different pricing range. For example, this one, FYBY has a price range of 13.26, while Monster Digital has a price range of 10.93. The shipping for FYBY is $5.19, while the shipping for Monster Digital is $4.5. The production time is different as well. In Monster Digital, you will be able to print on the neck and label as well. And there's more sizes in FYBY and more colors. And the one in default that we were able to see, Printify Choice, which is the best available option on price, quality, and speed. This is typically the option that you would like to go with because Printify is suggesting it already for you. So simply go with this one, or if you want, you can simply explore the other options as well and select them as well. You are completely freely available to do that. So simply click on start designing. And over here, this is where we will be able to design our t-shirt. You have your front side and back side over here. Like the name suggests, if you put a design on the front side, it will appear on the front, and if you put it on the back side, it will appear on the back. So let's start with the front side for now. Over here on the right side, as you can see, you are able to add your design from your device, have some image generator, custom text, Shutterstock, Dropbox, Google Drive, or even Fiverr, where you can hire professionals to design your t-shirt. And you can also check out your library over here. This is where you will be able to find images of previously generated or previously used design. And then you have your templates over here and graphics. Now in the graphics, you will be able to use this to build your design. For example, happy and dazzling, you can simply put that on your design over here and it will appear. There we go. But I don't prefer using this graphics area of Printify. It's great, yes, there is a lot of designs. You will be able to create good designs, but I prefer using Canva because I have more freedom with the design that I want, and I am able to use hundreds and thousands of different elements to build our design. So over here, simply click on t-shirt and you will be able to see templates over here. So simply click on enter and you will be able to see all the different templates of a t-shirt design, as you can see here. You are free to use any of this if you want, but for us, we will just be using like the size, so a template. So let's customize this template. We're not going to be using this design, don't worry, we're just going to be using the size of the canvas. So simply highlight everything and delete. Now simply click on elements over here and search for the topic or the theme that you want to build design on. So for example, realistic, or rather line moon made with lines, something like that. And then you have your different designs over here. For example, this one, enlarge this one, there we go. And you can add more designs. You could combine multiple types of elements. Go. This one's color black, so or rather color white, so let's turn it to black so that we can see it. There we go. You could put them together to build amazing designs. For example, this one, let's keep it minimalistic for now and very simple for the sake of the tutorial so that we don't take too long. But for you guys, you are freely able to build how many designs, how many elements in one design, make your creativity take over so that you will be able to create amazing outputs. But for me this time, this will be the output for now. So click on share over here. Since I have a white background and I prefer it to be transparent, I would have a transparent background. Click on download so that the color will appear over here. And let's wait for our download. There we go. So simply drag it over here and it will be uploaded to our library and it will now appear on this area over here. Here we go. And we could simply enlarge it, and now we have our design, as simple as that. Then you could add your colors. You could have gray, ash, and like pink. This is why I chose a transparent background so that it will not have just a plain white background, so that it's adaptable and can be used on any color. There we go, for example. Then you could add something on the back side as well. Click on add design. Let me try adding from my library. For example, this one over here. I could simply upload that over here and it will be added. So let's give it some time to load. And then we can click on preview over here, which would allow us to see some mock-ups of our outfit or our t-shirt design over here. And let's wait for this to fully load up. There we go. Let's enlarge it a bit. There we go. And then let's click on preview. And you have this mock-ups over here that you will be able to see. You can see here, we have like a front, back, the normal one. Then you have a person so that you can see what it would look like on a person. There we go, very simple. Then you have your color mode. We could go with realistic colors. There we go. And then you can choose the color that you want to see it with. And then you could add some mock-up backgrounds as well. So after this, simply click on save product so that we could move on to the next step. On the next step, this is where you will be able to add the details of your product. You can select the different images. You can see here, you can view the mockups once again. You can see there are different options. And then you have your title page over here, or like the title where you can edit the title so that the users will know what type of product it is. You have your description, your variants over here. You could modify the pricing for each variant. And then you have your publish settings. If you're connected to your Etsy store, you can simply click on publish and you will be able to publish this product that you have just created very easily. But for me, I didn't connect it. So this is what it is showing me. And like I mentioned earlier, you have to connect it before you create your designs, because right now I have not connected it. So if I connected it, my design would disappear. So the effort of building all those information, putting it together, it's a waste of time. So make sure that you finish that. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.